Lights, camera, action.
Hello guys, today I will make a Hello guys, I'm Nehal and our channel is leagueofbrothers. For today, I'm Nehal and Hello guys. Guys, I'm Nehal and welcome back to the channel. Today I will make a brownie cake. Where is brownie? Here is brownie. I will make this brownie with this smoothie. It's written here, hot fudgy brownie max with fudge topping. Okay, I will open and see what's inside. We have 3 packets of brownie and topping. Need 1 cup. Cup please. Hey. And we need milk. Milk please. This is milk. Okay, let's start our brownie. Open please. Yummy. Okay, now we put milk. We have to mix it. Mix. Now it's mixed. So yummy. Now we have to put this in microwave for 1 minute. Anyone to put this? Thank you.
Brownie is ready, Nehal.
Yay!
Be careful, it's hot.
Oh, yummy! Yummy. Now we'll put topping. Can you open it? Thank you. Hearty.
Here you go.
And put it. Take this. Readiness coming.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time.
Yummy. Brownie is ready. Now I eat with my friends. Friends, where are you? My friends are here, friends. And this is Iron Blood. Yay, now I will eat the brownie. I'm really eating it. Good. Yummy.
See it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a
Just a little bit hot. Want to eat it? Yes, I want to. There you go. Yummy. I can so easy. Yummy.
This is my life. I can see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfect.
Very good. Let it brownie. Yes. 1 more mug, please.
Give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye.